Have you ever noticed a shiny piece of aluminum foil hanging from a tree branch and wondered why some gardeners use this simple trick? It may look ordinary, but when sunlight hits it and the breeze starts moving it, something surprising happens in the garden. Many gardeners struggle with birds pecking fruits, insects flying around plants, and unwanted visitors damaging their hard work. Instead of using harsh products, there's a simple method that relies on light and movement. Take a piece of aluminum foil, new or used, and cut it into a strip. Fold it slightly so it stays firm, then tie a string or thread around it. Once ready, hang it from a tree branch, near vegetables, fruits, flowers, or anywhere you want extra protection. Make sure it can move freely in the wind. As the foil swings, it reflects bright flashes of sunlight in different directions. These sudden reflections can make birds uncomfortable and encourage them to stay away from your plants. The movement also creates a gentle fluttering effect that helps discourage some flying insects from settling nearby. This easy gardening trick is inexpensive, reusable, and takes only a few minutes to set up. Sometimes the simplest ideas can help protect your garden naturally and keep your plants looking their best. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other gardening lovers. See you in the next video.